Healthy snacks for weight loss. Satisfy cravings without the calories. Are snack cravings derailing your weight loss goals? You don't have to sacrifice flavor for fitness. Dive into our top picks of healthy snacks designed to delight your taste buds without adding extra calories. Crunch your cravings with a crisp veggie platter. Carrot sticks and celery are perfect with light hummus. These fiber-packed, low-calorie snacks not only satisfy your urge to munch, they keep you feeling full longer. Protein-rich snacks stabilize energy levels and curb hunger. Try a handful of almonds or a boiled egg for a quick, satisfying boost. These power-packed options help maintain muscle while promoting fat loss. Craving something sweet? Reach for a juicy apple or a handful of berries. Natural sugars found in fruits provide a sweet treat without the processed sugars. Pair them with yogurt for an extra layer of indulgence and probiotics. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger. Infuse your day with hydration by enjoying flavored waters. Add fresh cucumber or mint for a refreshing twist. Staying hydrated helps control appetite and keeps your metabolism firing efficiently. Ready to transform your snacking habits? Discover more scrumptious ideas and join our community of health enthusiasts on this tasty exploration. Like, comment, and share your own healthy go-to snack tips. And let's inspire each other to snack smarter, not heavier.